Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Blood Engine on Roblox. To begin, use the W, A, S, D keys to move your character around the map and move your mouse to look. Press the E key to interact with objects or pick up items. Once you have a weapon, select it from your inventory, usually by pressing a number key. Left-click to fire and right-click to aim. Understanding your current game mode's objective is crucial for success, whether it's capturing points or eliminating opponents. Effective combat is key to survival. Practice aiming by holding down the right mouse button to scope in, then left-click to fire. To avoid damage, double-tap movement keys to dodge quickly or use a dedicated block key, often F or G, to mitigate incoming attacks. Remember, different weapons, like a shotgun versus a sniper rifle, have distinct ranges and damage outputs, so choose wisely for each situation. To elevate your gameplay, always use the environment to your benefit. Hide behind walls or objects to avoid enemy fire and ambush opponents. In team-based modes, communicate and coordinate with your allies to execute strategic pushes or defend objectives effectively. Keep a close eye on your health bar and ammunition count. Pick up health packs and ammo drops scattered across the map to stay in the fight longer. As you play, you will earn in-game currency by completing objectives and eliminating enemies. Use this currency to unlock a wide array of new weapons, attachments, and cosmetic items from the in-game store. Personalize your character's appearance and optimize your loadout to match your playstyle. Don't forget to explore the various game modes available, each offering unique challenges and opportunities to test your skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.